What in the actual fuck is going on over here?
I'll tell ya.
This is Do or Die Throwback Gauntlet. We've gotten most of the flavors from Season 1. We couldn't get Passion Fruit Punch, so we got Spark instead. But the reason why we're doing this is because if you haven't seen Season 1 over on Ernie's personal accounts, well, we didn't include a certain third member. So now we're going to do it with all three main hosts of Belch Bros. Myself, Ernie, and this little lad over here, Tim. Plus, we have a special guest in the form of Matt, who you might have seen from Season 2. So join us. We got some new shit on the horizon. It's going to be fucking fantastic.
I don't like this one.
I don't like that either.
I haven't tried it.
There's a couple in particular I'm not looking forward to, but we're going to do it anyway.
Damn straight.
New Do or Die very soon.
Do or die.
New Belch Bros even sooner than that. And new Operation Fat Ass
Operation Fat Ass.
one day. Check it out.